Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer and thank you so very much for joining me for this snippet of a video. Today you're going to have to choose which one of these earrings you want me to do a tutorial on. Wow, I had to think about that. Boop. Okay, so with that being said, if you can get this video to 100 thumbs ups, I would greatly appreciate it. But you also have to make sure that you choose which one of these you want me to do. It's going to be a DIY. So do you want me to do the yarn or the denim? The denim or the yarn? You decide, okay? Make sure that you thumbs up this video, and please, when you write in the comments, decide whether or not if you want whichever one of these for me to do in a how to make video. With that being said, thank y'all so very much for your support. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. And until my next one, see ya.